Oh, it's really lit it up, isn't it?
That's what I mean, it's better if you have that light off.
That light? No, I mean with this one and that one. Really hope it comes out alright.
I can film 59 minutes on this, do you reckon it'll take that long?
No.
Keep the door sealed. You've put soap powder in, haven't you?
Yeah.
I've forgotten to do it before. I can go back to Nottingham, rest assured that I'm wearing jeans washed in a Bendix.
Proper washer.
How did you get your clothes? Your clothes are so clean. Well, I used a Bendix auto washer.
Hey, can you hold that a minute? I'm not sure that's all going in. Yeah, make yourself sound like really uptight, posh and whatever. Yeah.
I used a Bendix auto washer.
1982. She's like, you what?
Where can I find one of these?
Yeah.
Well, I got mine from you know, like in the adverts, those old cheesy bloody 60s adverts.
Oh god, that's funny.
Dory's got her whiter with Persil.
I got mine whiter with a Bendix.
Oh, look how much clearer the film is.
Yours is probably better looking than mine right now. It's probably because yours is blooming got a half decent screen on.
Apparently you have to film it. George told me this. I have to film it on the side
Same
with
here.
the home button this way, otherwise the video will be flipped.
Yeah, same here.
This is the only way it'll be do a full screen video.
Yeah, it's the same with this.
Oh, and we've just advanced.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a power shot.
I'm filming you, filming the dog. Come on. Keep.
It's very 18 series in the clicks, you know, just after it stops tumbling.
Yeah.
It goes tonk. Like the 18 series did. That's very good wash action.
10/3. You can see why David's so fond of it though, can't you?
Yeah. My funky underwear. Different colours, like bloody rainbow. My mum used to sing a song actually, when putting washing out on the line, it was like, did you know the song Pink and Yellow and Purple and Green?
Yeah.
And then she'd go, all lined up for you to see. These like proper tumbles, not you slosh from, you know, modern.
Yeah.
I mean, my Becca can handle that sort of thing really well.
Yeah.
The tumbles, but I think these are a lot better.
Oh yeah.
I suppose it's because it puts more water in.
Yeah. Thing is, tumbles back then were a lot faster, whether they were brush motors or not.
Yeah.
Because nowadays they drop down to more of a delicate kind of tumble.
Yeah, because apparently it's something to do with the motor, isn't it? It's not to stop straining the motor so much. You think about it, because the 95's still around, but they were vicious when tumbling and stuff.
No, I mean the speed.
Spin speed.
The actual wash speed has dropped very slightly.
That's what I'm talking about, like with 95, because they really went round fast.
Yeah.
But they're still around, and, you know. It's the brushes, if anything.
Yeah.
So it's getting well.
Yeah, it should be.
It feels cool, but the water's probably actually quite warm.
Yeah. See, if we never paused it probably would have been a bit warmer, but, don't matter.
It's just advanced on to 7, hasn't it?
Yeah.
I think that's probably a decent sized load, actually.
It is, yeah. It won't suds lock too much because of the jeans and what have you. Actually, the suds level's right gone down.
I reckon that'll be fine.
Yeah, easy.
Ooh. Am I gone again?
Come on, focus. Bloody thing.
At least people get to watch it from 2 different angles.
Yeah.
Can you imagine it if this washer had like economy wash, energy save, this, that and the other button? I think David is pressing all of them.
One hot point, it uses economy, half load, you know.
Does it?
Yeah, yeah.
Blimey. I suppose you can get away with pressing the half loading because it does still give a rather decent water level. What economy wash anyway. There's a lot of room left in there, that's quite good.
There is a fair bit, yeah. So those jeans that are probably the bulky items, that's why. It's only been on 7 minutes.
Well, yeah, exactly. Well, I've probably been filming a second.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I'm really interested to see how dirty the cool down water is.
Yeah. I mean, that doesn't look that dirty in there.
I'm just hoping this Almat's as good as everyone says it is.
Yeah. That is kind of dark in there, I think, actually.
That's good. That's good though. I mean, it's good to see the water dirty because you know it's cleaning your clothes. But I've like sat at home before when everyone sat around the kitchen table and the washer's been on.
Yeah.
And when I cool down to come on our washer, and the water's dirty. It's like, oh, no, please don't look at it. Please don't.
Yeah.
I work in the garden quite a lot and like go down the canal and stuff. Ding dong.
Yeah, yeah.
Both like, ooh.
Yeah, that water is pretty dirty.
That's what you get when you only wash your clothes once a month, Phil.
Aye! I'm bloody once a month, you know, innit?
I'm actually loving the quality of this.
Yeah.
Really clear.
Have you knocked it right back up again?
Nope.
No.
320.
It will look better on that though, won't it?
Well, true. And it's not going to be bad quality. It might be a little bit fuzzy because it's low, but at the end of the day, it's better than nothing at all.
Yeah.
Have you zoomed in at all?
No.
Look at the, look at the, we're at the same level almost. Look how far back mine is compared to yours.
I know, yeah.
And they say that iPhones are supposed to be better. Don't get me wrong, that probably is better.
I don't know.
On different things to this. But the camera on this is actually amazing.
Mine's shite. And mine's supposed to be a similar phone to yours.
Yeah, get yourself a Samsung S3.
I was actually considering it.
They're very cheap and the camera is brilliant.
Yeah, David was considering it the other week there. Because I was going to give my phone to Kathy and Kathy was going to scrap the
Facebook, easy. You can upload to YouTube just like that, no issues. You can send emails, text and stuff easy.
Well, I can do that on mine anyway. It's just that's a bit better
Not even
for everything.
Perhaps treat yourself when you've got a bit more now.
Yeah. How long's that going to be? Thing is, it's good because you can actually see the water on the clothes as it's going round, and so these modern machines, they only look wet, they don't look soaking.
I like that because, you know, modern day machines, it looks like the curves are going round and there's no... That's just it.
That's why I like your beaker. That's a bit like this on that video you did.
Yeah.
Done it again.
I did a fairly warm wash actually.
10 minutes it's been on pretty much.
10 minutes.
10 minute wash is pretty good, yeah. Yeah, that water's kind of dirty.
Everything's pretty much soaked.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Ready for a spin now, I think.
Oh, it is on. I was going to say that light. I thought that light wasn't on because you can't tell.
It's good to have that kitchen light off though. You can really see inside. This video probably better than the blanket one we did earlier.
Yeah.
You can see a bit more inside.
It's better when you got some sort of colour with darks.
Yeah, the green and red and that. Just think how many people would have absolutely adored these when they come out.
Oh god, yeah.
From a twin tub, slaving over a twin tub.
Yeah, yeah.
Blankets and sheets and towels and stuff.
Yeah.
Just thrown in that.
Yeah.
I mean, it goes with any machine, but these as well.
Oh, don't go blurry on me, you bleeding thing.
But also, you consider the detergents it's probably been put in this over its years.
Yeah.
With the Surf Micro, Ariel Air.
Yeah. I mean, like David said, he got this when it was 2-year-old, refurbished.
1982.
So he got it in 84.
I bet Bold 3's probably been used in this. And we're gonna go. I'm not in your way, man.
No, I'm right.
Have you thought about looking at the Bendix Facebook page and posting a photo of this?
Didn't know there was one.
I think there is. Posting a photo of this and tell them how long you've had it and stuff. Sometimes they give you free washes and all sorts, you know.
Yeah. Thing is, you get a free wash, you just sell it.
Yeah. Might want to look into that.
See, Service did that. They said, "Oh yeah, what's something about what's your oldest washer?" I was tempted to stick mine on it, but mine wasn't working right at the time, so I didn't. I love that noise.
What, the motor?
No, the whacking of the water and, you know.
Wow, just as the water cleared.
That don't sound right.
I love that.
I think that's the door seal, I hope. Oh yeah, it is, yeah, it's just that little bit in there again. Bloody thing keeps doing that, I don't know why.
Oh.
I thought my blooming thing was on. Thought my light was on, don't know why it went.
I'll just carry on filming.
Yeah, it should have been on.
That's it.
Yeah,
More
so I
light.
don't know what happened there. Might be battery life went off or something. Yeah, it is on.
It's covered. So I'll pull out now so you can film.
It's fine. Yeah, what we can do tomorrow, we'll wash that bedding in this if you want.
Can do.
I'll just leave it there, in there. Bleeding light's gone off again. I think it's to do with battery life.
They can probably look right into this kitchen. Are you already on that YouTube?
Yeah. Put it on my channel because it'll be it's long needed.
Oh yeah, yeah. The water's actually very ginger.
Yeah.
Good thing though, you know it's getting clean.
Actually, it doesn't look quite as bad now. The quality on this.
Oh, that's pretty good.
It looked better on the computer, obviously.
Was there any induction model washers in the UK made?
What?
Like any washing machines with induction motors made in the UK?
Dunno. Basic Hoovers, I think, had induction motors.
I don't even think that, you know.
The 600 ones did.
Yeah, probably. Obviously twin tubs as well, they probably had a single speed induction motor.
Yeah.
That actually makes these sort of machines very unique as well.
Yeah. Bloody thing won't focus. Keeps going out of focus.
$20 the circle's lasted so far.
Oh, you got it all on the one video?
Yep. That water flapping at the bottom.
Never used to do that until I got that door seal. It's sort of kicking it up and throwing it back in the drum because of that lip.
Come on, clear before it clicks into rinse.
Should do.
Chugga 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 chugga.
Here comes the train, open wide.
That sounds like the solenoid to me.
Might be because it's loose, like. Dunno.
Loose.
There's no water down there, is there?
No. That's why I'm checking.
If it makes much difference.
I love that it's got a light on this.
Yeah.
No messing about with lamps and crap.
Yeah. It's annoying that this thing doesn't have a light that stays on.
Don't get my sexy legs in. People might get jealous.
Yeah, I can do that now.
That's a good idea.
Neighbours will be watching over the road. What the blooming hell are they doing?
Be like, come on, watch if you want.
All I can see is lights. What is it? A police force in there?
I know, do you know what? I'll have the police knocking at the door.
Yeah. Oh well. And then after this we'll nip up the shop.
Well, I've got nowhere to wear.
No.
I'd say that might. That's gonna look.
Borrow a pair of my jeans or something.
Did you see one of your jeans?
It's charging, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, it's oh, I've accidentally hit record. Huh?
My fingers get tired after a bit.
I think it's because your light's too bright.
Pardon?
I think it's because your light on yours is too bright.
Is it?
Yeah, I've got on my finger there just to cover it slightly.
Is catfish stuff in here as well?
A little bit. Oh man, it's shaking like a leaf. Bloody doors.
Do you know when the bearings were changed?
15 odd years ago. Probably longer than that now.
Do you know what? They probably last so long because the spin speed's slow.
Yeah. Oh. So comfortable.
If this was like something like 1000 or something, they'd probably be gone by now.
Oh yeah, yeah. But even then, David would still replace them.
Will you replace them again then if we go?
Probably. I don't know.
Nice and cold.
right one. Can you see that better? Oh, there we are.
Is this plastic?
Yeah. That's where it's cracked there.
That was the motor hitting the floor and one of the springs at the top.
I'm meant to be saying that.
Oh, that is interesting. There's a jet of water spraying out the
Yeah,
door
it does
seal.
that as well. Yeah, I forgot about that. Where is it? There it is. Yeah. Focus you down a bit. You probably get it better than me. Oh, damn. Oh, well.